Okay, thank you for joining me today. As advised, we'll be diving deeper into AI and the essential technical knowledge that comes with it. So I'll start with the first question on AI architecture. From your perspective as the CTO, what are the most critical decisions to consider?
It's a very good question. I think the most important decision is to set up a flexible and evolving architecture which can support our continuous enhancement. So in this architecture, I think the first one is to adopt a modular GenAI factory architecture. That means our core capabilities such as the data source, content, prompt libraries, and API models libraries, they are all decoupled or reused across different use cases. Secondly, we will have our inline guardrails and offline quality check, all this infrastructure to ensure our continuous monitoring, tracking of our performance. So the one, definitely we have our AI-powered tools that can ensure the robust iteration of the end-to-end accuracy and business quality, like the bad case annotation, like the data expansion and the regression test, like the A/B test support.
Thank you for answering the first question. And let's continue to the second question. So when discussing AI, many people express concerns about risk and ethics, including fairness and privacy. How do we approach the risk management and ensure that AI systems remains ethical?
I think the risk, we have different solutions. So first on data governance, we definitely have our access control and the data encryption in transit and also at rest to protect all the sensitive business data. And second one, definitely our customer cares about the bias and the fairness. Okay, so we have our automated pipeline to run these bias detection tests on the training data sets and also our model outputs. Runtime, we also have our AI guardrails, another AI model to block those like the off-topic or non-compliant outputs. And also some queries, if recognized as complicated or sensitive queries, our AI agent will hand it off to human agent or apply some most strict workflows to control the business risk. Then lastly, post the whole generation, we can have the daily quality insurance with more AI-empowered rules to detect those potential issues and notify human to do check.
So human is always involved throughout the process from end to end?
Yes, yeah.